Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to play Animal Crossing on PC in 2025, step by step. First off, it's important to note that there is no official PC version of Animal Crossing New Horizons. However, you can still enjoy the game on your computer using a Nintendo Switch emulator. The most recommended emulator of 2025 is Ryujinx, known for its stability and most support. Here's how to get started. Download Ryujinx emulator, visit the official website, and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Obtain the game file. You need a legally dumped copy of Animal Crossing New Horizons in XCCI or NSP format. Ensure you own the game and have the rights to create a backup. Install firmware and keys. Acquire the necessary Nintendo Switch, firmware, and product keys from your own console. This step is crucial for the emulator to run the game. Configure the emulator. Open Ryujinx, go to the settings, and add the path to your game file. Adjust graphic settings according to your own PC capabilities for optimal performances. Launch the game. Once everything is set up, double-click Animal Crossing New Horizons within Ryujinx to start playing. For those who prefer not to use emulators, another option is to play Animal Crossing Pocket Camp, the mobile version of the game. You can use screen mirroring software like iMyFone Mirror 2 or Kingsphere Screen Mirroring to play it on PC. These methods allow you to control the game using your mouse and keyboard, providing a larger display and better console experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming guides and tutorials. See you in next video.